Hello friends, today we will discuss about photosynthesis. The term photosynthesis means photo means light and synthesis means to manufacture food. So the term photosynthesis may be defined as the process of synthesis of food in the presence of sunlight. So the plant prepare or synthesis its own food in the presence of sunlight. So without sunlight the plant cannot prepare its food. The term photosynthesis can also be defined as the process by which the green plant synthesizes organic matter in the presence of light by utilizing the CO2 and H2O as the raw material. So in the photosynthesis process, the raw material which are used are carbon dioxide and water and the sunlight. So with the help of sunlight, CO2 and H2O, the plant can synthesize its own food. Coming to the third point, the entire process of photosynthesis takes place in chloroplast. So the photosynthesis takes place in the chloroplast. Coming to the fourth point, the term photosynthesis is also known as carbon assimilation, and this carbon assimilation which can be represented by the following equation. So the photosynthesis can also be known as carbon assimilation, and this is represented by the following equation: 6CO2 plus 6H2O in the presence of light and green pigment give rise to 6O2 and 6C6H12O6. That means 6 molecules of carbon dioxide and 6 molecules of water in the presence of light and green pigment give rise to 6 molecules of O2 and 6 and 1 glucose. But this equation is recently more appreciately modified as follows below: 6CO2 plus 12H2O in the presence of light and green pigment give rise to 6O2 plus 6CO2 plus 6H2O plus 6C6H12O6. So here instead of 6H2O it is written as 12H2O, which will give rise to 6 molecules of O2 and 6 molecules of water and 1 molecule of glucose. So this is a modified equation of photosynthesis. Coming to the next point, light energy is converted into chemical energy and stored in the organic matter called as a carbohydrate. So in the photosynthesis process, the light energy which is trapped by the pigment are converted into chemical energy and are stored in the organic matter in the form of organic matter that is known as carbohydrate. Coming to the next point, 1 molecule of glucose usually contain about 686 kcal of energy. Coming to the next point, photosynthesis is an anabolic, androgenic and reduction process. So this is all about the photosynthesis. This is a small notes of photosynthesis. Photo means light and synthesis means to manufacture food. So this is all about the photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis and what are its equations, and it is also known as a carbon assimilation. Thanks for watching my video.